We've just arrived in Erfurt and we're staying in the cutest little loft downtown. Look at this building. We parked our car just out here while we were waiting to check in. It's very hot and the code is not working. So we're just waiting for the host to get back to us. I didn't know it was all Vietnam. Okay, we finally made it in, and it is so worth the wait. This is definitely the nicest place that we've stayed. You walk into the kitchen, so clean, superb.
Perfect.
Okay, and then you go to the left over here. I don't know what that room is, storage. But look at the bathroom.
Time to take a nice shower.
Oh my God, like a normal sized shower. Not a tiny little European shower. Wow, look at this. Gorgeous. Let's look at them out here, like a little rooftop view. Okay, shroop shroop. Back out to the main accommodation. Look at the tall lofted ceilings. Oh, A-frame. Look at this, beautiful. Wow, so cute little dining area. There's an actual separate couch bed area for Dario instead of the common couch. So we'll have a place to chill. Wow, this is gorgeous. Okay, and then the bedroom for Vieran and I. A little desk for me to work at. Amazing. Oh, it is open. It's an open loft.
But look at this.
Yeah.
Full-size mirror.
Gorgeous. Crib for when Vieran pisses me off.
Wow, that's where I'm sleeping, right?
That's where you're sleeping.
You can sleep in that little corner underneath the beam right
The little corner over here.
Under that beam.
Just on this ottoman. Wow, baby, do you love it?
It's amazing, yeah. Probably one of the best ones I've stayed in.
Yeah, maybe ever. While this place is amazing, something to note is that there are very few places in Europe with air conditioning, so it is hot. Vieran, what do you think about the waterbed situation?
This is how the divorce happens right here. I think.
You think?
This is worse than probably somebody snoring. Worst idea in the world. You might like it for a day, but then you might get really
I
annoyed
like
with
it. It's like sleeping on a boat.
Yeah, it's like for a day or two, but like nonstop, no.
You don't want me to move in the middle of the night?
Imagine you being there, or one heavy person, one light person, and the person coming out of the bathroom one middle of the night and just kind of jumps into the bed, and then the other person flies through the window. That's what I see happening tonight. Okay,
but to conclude, why V and I were laughing in the hallway earlier was because, so on Airbnb, when you're a guest or when you're the main guest, you can manage guests and you can invite your other people in your party to join the reservation. So Dario joined the reservation and then immediately he got a text that was like, come downstairs to get the key. And we're all like, that's so weird. Like, why would they text you? How would they even have your number? And so Dario's like, should I go down? I'm like, yeah, you've been summoned. Like, you've got to go. So Dario goes downstairs and then V starts laughing. And I'm like, what did you do? And so it was him. He created a fake number and texted Dario and told him to come downstairs. And then he started texting him that he was a cutie. And then Dario figured it out real quick. Dario is not pleased.
I should have made it last a bit longer.
You couldn't help yourself but giggling.
Yeah.
We're out to explore Erfurt today.
Is it Erfurt or Erfurt?
Yes.
one of those two.
Not sure. So
The city's much bigger than the one we were in last, which was
yeah, because we were staying in Rotenburg, which is really like an hour outside of Leipzig. So it's like a tiny little town.
I would say
this time we're staying in the city.
I would say this is as well. Like,
this is a city.
This is
it's a small
bigger city, yeah, for sure.
It's not like tiny village town.
So right now we're headed to this place called Domplatz, where it's basically the city's town square.
Yes. This Erfurt is known for being a very well preserved medieval town. So there's a lot of medieval buildings. Very excited to see them. We'll just see what we see. We're gonna walk around the main square. We have some things saved on our Google Maps shared folder. That's how we do it these days. Create a shared Google Maps of the town you're going to. Put all your landmarks and places you want to visit on it. Then everyone has access. And then you can decide, okay, we have X amount of time, so we can hit X amount of these spots. What's our route?
What's also nice about small towns like this is basically you can hit everything all at once, because
yes.
a lot of times everything's in that city square and surrounding the area within a mile or kilometer.
Right, which we love. Love. More top tips, more top travel tips. When you're walking stairs, squeeze the glutes. Get an extra exercise. It's gonna hurt, it's gonna burn, but it's gonna help with all those vacation calories. Nice work.
I expected the city to be like actually small, like the one in Rotenburg, I think it was.
Rotenburg.
Yeah, not much to do, you know, out in the countryside. But yet, when we come here, it's actually like a big city. Well, it's not really a big city, but it's more of a city. And real estate is here really expensive, and it reminded me of a lot of Lewis, small town vibes, but yet diverse and culture, and also plenty of restaurants and beautiful architecture, especially the cathedral that we've seen, which is like over, I think, 800 years old. It's just a lot to do and a lot to see here compared to Rotenburg. So
Rotenburg.
There
was no T.
Oh, Rotenburg.
I think
yeah.
Rotenburg is in Holland.
Or maybe.
Tickets to see all the exhibits at the Citadel are only €8, so we're going to do it. And some of it will be in English, some might only be in German. That's okay, we'll figure it out. And this is actually, so learning that Erfurt is the medieval capital of this state in Germany.
Darfst nicht töten und
This is what Iran does in museums.
Have to make sure we look at the code.
Look up the code. They might kick you out if your hair looks bad.
Yes. I got the deluxe Kramer-Broken truffle. Very rich dark chocolate.
So good.
So good that I don't want to share, but I have to. Is it good?
It's so good. It's even better on my nose.
Is it cold?
Pretty strong current. There's a storm rolling in.
And we are headed back to the house as quickly as possible. Otherwise, we're gonna get rained on.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, we're running back to the loft.
yeah, running back.
Which is great. Actually, perfect timing because we basically walked around and saw everything that we wanted to see. And now,
This exceeded our expectations, by the way.
yeah, it is the
Cold.
cutest little city. So precious, medieval, historic, beautiful, clean, green. Definitely highly recommend Erfurt for your travels. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the backpacking trip of a lifetime through Europe, and we have so much more to share with you.